Hello and welcome once again to NFT Central, the place where we review every single NFT that you might not have realized it actually existed, or perhaps you did know about it, but you just didn't realize how awesome it was for some sweet gains and profit. Or they just have amazing designs and a wonderful community. Either way, we are here for you to bring you the best of the best. And today we're going to check on the top 3 NFTs, in my opinion, that are worth your time this week. Now, what do I have here for you? For the first spot, and they are in no special order by the way, I have Metaverse Cool Cats. I know, it's another animal NFT you might say, but hear me out. This one is quite interesting. Early bird sale for 0.04 Ethereum on December 28th, so you're not late. Pre-sale and public sale to be announced. Now, they are not affiliated to Cool Cats NFT, by the way, which is another NFT that we have seen before. They even have their own Discord server, which I encourage you to go and check, because surely they have lovely people that are always talking about these NFTs. Like any Discord server, we visit Discord servers all the time here just to check before I tell you to go in. And they're always lovely. They are always welcoming, and they are talking about trading, the future of the entire thing. You name it, they talk about it. Now, they even have their own website that we're going to check in a moment. And of course, we need to see that since November 2021, they have gathered 6,800 followers. That is a lot. Now, the pin tweet was 9 hours ago. You know what that means? An active Twitter page. They have said something 2 hours ago, 15 hours ago, and then December 25th. They talk all the time. They update every time. So this is trustworthy already. Now, if I visit their website, I'm going to be able to see, of course, a countdown. This is just amazing, by the way. This is beautiful. It's so blurred, let's call it that. It's blessed and cursed at the same time. It's an amazing expression. With those beings are just top notch. Let's be honest, it's just fucking beautiful. Now, Metaverse Cool Cats. Welcome to the Metaverse Cool Cats. Early bird sale 28th. So 2 days, 14 hours. You have a little countdown here if you're interested in that. And of course, if I keep on scrolling down, I have almost 10k MCC. Now, Metaverse. The name does not need an introduction in crypto space right now. Currently, the whole world is going to VR, and we have seen many successful projects on the Metaverse which made 10k plus Ethereum trade the volume in NFT market. Now coming to those NFTs based on cats had a huge popularity among crypto lovers. That is true. So they are focusing on that market. So the VAT Labs. VAT Labs is a group of 3 experienced entrepreneurs with proven track records of delivering on their roadmaps. That's important. I like it when they deliver, because some people, they just don't, you know. It has 3 permanent members with 15 plus temporary employees who change from time to time based on the project we take up. Our focus over the last few months has been entirely on execution. We want to deliver a variety of NFT projects to the crypto world to create a win-win situation for buyers and sellers. I like their positivity, I like their view on things. I am very intrigued already. Now, like any good NFT project, they have a nice roadmap ahead. The launch, the DAO, everything. You need it, they have it. It launched the DAO, the free merchandise, then the what next for MCC, the future projects. It's right here. So I really encourage you to come and check it out for yourself, because I think you will not be disappointed at all. They have an FAQ and they have the members. Lovely stuff. Now, another one that I have for you, this one is a little under the radar because it is quite common actually. It is Appleheads. Appleheads NFT has been around since August 2021 and they only have 1,200 followers, and I honestly think they have been slept on. They are quite niche because they are limited to one type of fruit. I think that if they had varied the fruit, they might have gotten more people. But hey, who knows? They might actually implement that change in the future. So the pinned tweet is from December the 13th, and well, they have been very active. 3 hours ago, they commented on something. And December 24th, they wished everyone happy holidays. They are alive, people. And if I enter their website, by the way, yes, we are creating the orchard in the Metaverse to bring you Appleheads, powered by Unreal Engine, Ethereum minting zone. So if I enter their website and I have this wonderful sort of Adult Swim cartoonish style that I just love, I love it. It gives me some Rick and Morty vibes for some reason. If I scroll down, I see there is an orchard on the edge of space. Metaverse oasis like no other place. A field of apples, can you see them glinting? Take a closer look, they're almost ripe for the minting. A little poem right there, I love it. They already hooked me with that. So, of course, they have the minting happening soon. The mint price is 0.05 Ethereum, quite interesting. You can choose how much you want to mint. Not yet though, and upon minting you will receive one of 10,000 unique Appleheads. Match 20 for a transaction. You can join their Discord and you can check, of course, the many designs. So you do not know what you'll get, but whatever you get, it's certainly interesting, as you can say. So, which Applehead will you get? We don't know. They have rarities even. And the orchard is ready to be, prepared and everything. And introducing the orchard, well, launch at the manor with the rest of the bunch, access exclusive and collaborative events in the orchard, minigames, leaderboards, competitions, you name it, they have it. It's a wonderful thing. They have a roadmap, which is very creative with how eaten the apple is. And yeah, it explains every single step that they're going to take from now on. Again, very promising stuff. And last but not least, I have Metarich Club. Now, these people, they're even lower in the sense that, well, they have been created in December 2020 and they are going under the radar. Which is surprising because of the things they have. They have a pinned tweet from December the 3rd and they have tweets from 9 hours ago on December 24th. It's saying Merry Christmas and of course the pre-sale in 24 hours. They only have 400 followers and I swear they could be doing so much better because if I click on their website, look at this. These designs are really interesting. I know many people who will, no, I'm not talking about only furries by the way, but I know many people who will really like this. Now, I'm recording this video on the 26th and they say that it's going to happen in 13 hours. But don't worry because these guys are going under the radar and I swear they have so much potential that I think they're really worth your time. Welcome to our community. Being part of the Metarich Club introduces you to a community of worldwide entrepreneurs. It will give you the opportunity to get in touch with masters of the e-commerce already set up in the real-life business. So it's very interesting. They have wonderful designs. 5,000 unique Metarich who need drivers. Okay. So the Metarich is a collection of 5,000 generative Metarich, with hundreds of elements inspired by Shiba universes, of course. So, like I always tell you, something that is really worth highlighting, these videos are no official financial advice. So when I show you this, I really encourage you to come and take a look. Make your own decision about it. I show you the underdogs, the popular ones, the ones that show you the best promise for minting, but please do your own research and I'm sure that you will get to a nice, wonderful conclusion. But anyways, that has been the video for today about the 3 NFTs that I think that you should not miss out on, and this has been NFT Central, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.